Hi traders, hope you had a great trading week. I'm on the Aussie Yen daily chart, got my monthly, weekly, day support and resistance levels all drawn in. They're referenced in the description below. I'll just discuss the ones closest to price action. Now the Aussie Yen is trading within a weekly range at the moment. I've just marked it out in blue here. We traded back down to weekly support 93.03, Thursday, Friday. Can we break below there this week to come down and test the next level of weekly support at 92.43? So the key level to watch at the start of the week is 93.03. Does that break or hold for a move back up the range? Support could hold and we could move all the way back up towards the top of the range once more. So we are in a range. Higher time frames are a little bit more suggestive of a break to the downside, but 93.03 is the key level to watch. Does it hold as support or break for a move lower? Alright traders, on to the Aussie dollar. What would help the Aussie Yen move down is if the Aussie dollar continues to decline. We move below 65.95 weekly support. That's now resistance, and we just managed to close below the next level of support at 65.64. Now we may just rally back up a little bit at the start of the week. We could even move back to 65.95. So this area here should be resistance if we're continuing the decline. So do we further test this area, hold for a move down this week to challenge day support 64.90, so the 6500 area, and do we come down to challenge monthly support at 64.58 through the course of the week? Alright traders, on to Euro Yen now. We actually finished positive for the week. Doesn't look like it, but we did. Holding above day support 155.58. We tested it there on Thursday. Now I have a broad weekly range here, marked out in blue. Have we actually failed at the top of the range? We got a little bit short of it, but have we failed at the top once more to move down? So key level to watch is 155.58. Does that hold as support to move back up to test the top of the range, or are we simply now moving down towards the bottom of the range? So watch 155.58. Can that hold as support to move up, or are we breaking lower? Could go either way. If we're looking at the larger range, suspiciously like we failed at the top to move back down to the bottom of the range. So watch 155.58 at the start of the week. Can that hold as support, or does it break to the downside? Alright traders, on to Euro dollar. Now I had a bit of a reversal Thursday, Friday. Positive after the US job figures. Held at last week's low, which is day support 109.43. So are we starting to reverse back to the upside? The weekly trend is up, the day trend is down. So the level to watch at the start of the week will be 110.12 weekly resistance. Does that hold as resistance this week, or do we break above and start to show an advance? So can we start to show an advance by breaking above 110.12? Of course that could still hold as resistance and we simply further decline this week. So that's the level to watch at the start of the week. Does 110.12 hold as resistance or break for an advance this week? Alright traders, on to the pound yen. Now it did decline last week back down to monthly support 180.41. False broke these day chart highs here, so false breaking 182.28 day resistance. So this is a level to watch at the start of the week. It held there Thursday, didn't quite touch it Friday. Does 180.41 monthly support hold as support, or are we continuing the decline into another week down? And can we move below 180.41 and 179.46 support? A little bit suggestive of a reversal there. So at the start of the week, 180.41. Does it break or hold as support? Alright traders, last paid review for the weekend pound dollar. Did decline last week, still in a day chart downtrend. However, the weekly trend remains up. This is just corrective against the weekly trend. If we break below this low, that will change the weekly trend to down. And you can see here that we had a nice hammer rejection candle on top of weekly support over here at 126.79. Just trapped between weekly support and daily resistance. Which will win out? So I would certainly be watching 126.79 at the start of the week. Do we come back down for another test of that level? Can it hold for an advance this week? Can we come up to test 127.97 again? Tested it Friday, and can we start to move above? High time frame trend remains up. So are we going to see an end of the day chart downtrend and a reversal back up from 126.79 weekly support? Okay traders, that's my analysis for today. If you want to keep up to date with my analysis, simply subscribe to the channel. I look forward to seeing you next time. Now if you'd like to follow my Forex trading analysis throughout the week, why not subscribe to the ACY Securities live interactive trading feed Telegram channel. Simply contact Nathan.bray at acy.com to get access.